Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Children, welcome back to Grade 5 Mathematics online class. Children, have you enjoyed your holidays? Have you learned the portions? I hope you learned everything. And children, I have given some homework, no? Is it, ma? Have you completed that? I hope you did the homework. So just we can recall things what we learned in the previous class. Okay. So in the previous class we have started the lesson 10, that is time, speed and temperature. Is it, ma? The name of the unit is time, speed and temperature. So under this lesson we have started to learn about time. Is it? Time. So in time we have learned three formulas. Is it? So first one is 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So in a day how many hours are there? Yes, 24 hours will be there in one day. Okay. Next, 1 hour has how many minutes? Yes, 60 minutes. Okay. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So in 1 hour how many minutes will be there? Yes, there will be 60 minutes. Then 1 minute consists of how many seconds? Yes, in 1 minute there are 60 seconds will be there. Okay. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So under this three formulas we have did some problems. Is it, ma? And I have given two homework. Is it? So first we can check the homework answers first. Okay. Children, first homework problem, convert 540 minutes to hours. So if you convert 540 minutes to hours, you will get 9 hours. Okay, 9 hours. The next second problem, convert 555 hours to days and hours. We want to convert 555 hours to days and as well as hours. So the answer will be 23 days and 3 hours. So in 555 hours there are 23 days and 3 hours will be there. Okay. So children, now we can move on to the today's portion. Okay. Children, our unit name is time, speed and temperature. Is it, ma? And in the previous class we have discussed about time. Is it? And today we are going to discuss about the second topic of this lesson is speed. Okay. So look at Roman number 3 is speed, distance and time. Speed, distance and time. So under the speed we have three formulas. Okay. Under the second topic we have three formulas. So by using these three formulas we can able to calculate the distance, speed and time. Okay, by using these three formulas we can able to calculate the distance, speed and time. So look at the first formula. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Okay, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. This is a very basic formula. Okay, this is the first one is a very basic formula. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. By using this formula only we can able to derive these two remaining formulas. Okay. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Okay, we can able to calculate the distance between any object or from one place to next place by using the speed and time. So if you know the speed and time means you can able to calculate the distance. So look at the next one, speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So I told you these two formulas are derived from the first formula. So look at the first one, distance is equal to speed into speed multiplied by time. Is it, ma? So if you want to calculate the speed means, okay, speed is equal to what? Distance. Okay, speed is equal to distance. Okay, so first we can write speed. We are going to calculate the speed. So speed is equal to distance and multiplication symbol will be changed to what, ma? Divide. And next what we have? Time. Time will comes under the division. Okay. So if you want to calculate the speed means speed is equal to distance and the multiplication symbol will be changed to divide and time will comes down. Okay. So speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. Can you able to follow this? Look at next third formula. The same thing only here, time. Here we are going to calculate the time. Okay, so time is equal to what? First distance. Okay, time is equal to distance. So we can write time is equal to distance and the multiplication symbol will change to divide and speed will comes down. Okay, so time is equal to distance divide by, okay, multiplication will change to divide by and the speed will comes down. So we will get the formula as time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, time is equal to distance by speed. Okay, so once again we can see the formulas. Distance equal to speed multiplied by time. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Next one, if you want to calculate the speed means we have the formula speed is equal to distance divided by time. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Then if you want to calculate the time means you have to divide the distance by speed. Okay, distance divided by speed. Okay, can you able to follow these three formulas? So by using these three formulas we are going to do some word problems. Okay ma? So children, look at here, Roman number 4, do the following. Okay, do the following. So first question we are going to do, a car covers a distance of 320 kilometer in 8 hours. What is the speed of the car? So one car is traveling a distance of how many kilometers ma? Yes, 320 kilometer it is moving. Okay, in how many hours is taking? Yes, it will take 8 hours. Okay, so one car is taking 8 hours to travel from one place to next place. So how many kilometers are there? Yes, 320 kilometers are there. It will covers within 8 hours. Okay, so we want to find out in which speed the car is moving. Okay, so distance is given, time is given. Okay, that is 8 hours. Okay, distance is 320 kilometers. Okay, distance is 320 kilometers given and time is given as 8 hours, and we want to find out what's the speed of the car. We want to find out the speed. Okay, see once again, a car covers a distance of 320 kilometers. Okay, so a car is traveling from one place to next place. So how many distance it is covering ma? 320 kilometers it is covering in within how many hours? 8 hours. The time is 8 hours. We want to find out what's the speed of the car. So how much speed it is moving from one place to next place to from one place to next place. How many kilometers? Yes, 320 kilometers in 8 hours. Okay, so we have three formulas. So first formula is distance is equal to speed into time, then speed is equal to distance by time, and the next last one is time is equal to distance by speed. So here in this question we have to calculate the speed. Is it ma? We have to calculate the speed. So we have the formula speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so first we can write the solution and can start to do this problem. So you can write solution. So listen, here they have given the distance. Okay, we know the distance. Okay, and we know the time. So first we can write the given things. Okay, so the distance. So first we can write the given things and okay, distance equal to 320 what ma? Kilometer. Okay, in kilometer. It's not given in meter. It is given in kilometer. Okay, distance is equal to 320 kilometer, and next we know the time. Okay, the time is also given in this question. So time is equal to what? 8 hours. Okay, time is 8 hours. Okay, so we know the distance 320 kilometer and time is 8 hours. We need to find out what ma? Speed. Okay, so from here we know that therefore the speed. What's the speed formula? Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, so can you able to follow this? So distance is given. Okay, distance is given as 320 kilometer and time is given as 8 hours. Okay, that two things we have written. Okay, what are given things we have to write first. Then what they asked? So they asked to find out the speed of the car. So we know the formula, the speed is equal to distance by time. So by using this formula we can substitute the things distance and time in this question given. Okay, so that is equal, that is speed is equal to what's the distance ma? Distance is given as 320. Okay, 320 by then time is 8. Okay, 8. No need to write the units. Okay, so the distance is given in the kilometer form and time is given in the hours form. No need to write the units. Okay, just we can write the numbers, that is 320 by 8. Now we have to divide 320 by 8. Okay, if you divide 320 by 8. Okay, we are going to divide 320 by 8. So if you divide 320 by 8 means first we have to take the 3 first. Okay, 3. So how many 8s are in the 3? It's not possible, is it, ma? Because 3 is less than 8. Is it? 3 is less than 8. So what we have to write? We have to write 0 in the quotient. Okay, so 3 is not possible to divide by 8. So we have to write 0 there. And next we have to take the next number together. So we have 2 there. So 3 and 2, it will become as 32. Okay. In 32, how many 8s are there? Do you know 8 table? Shall we say that 8th table? Okay. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32. Is it, ma? 4 8s are 32. So we can write 4 in the quotient. Okay, 4 into 8. Okay, 4 8s are 32. Now we have to subtract 32 minus 32. Okay, we have to subtract 32 minus 32. 32 minus 32 is what, ma? 0. Okay, so we got 0 as the balance. Now we have to bring down the next number. That means 0 we have. Is it, ma? We have to bring down the 0. Is it 0 will divide by 8? No, is it? So we have to write 0 in the quotient. Okay, so we have to write 0 in the quotient. Now we can say in 40 kilometer speed. Okay, 40 kilometer per hour, the car is moving from one place to next place in how many hours? 8 hours. It is covering 320 kilometers. So we can write the answer. So speed is equal to, okay, we are calculating the speed only now. So we can write speed is equal to, what's the answer we got it? When you divide 320 by 8 means we got 40 as the answer. So we can write 40. Okay, 40. 40, what unit you want to write, ma? We have kilometer and hour. No, is it, ma? Kilometer and hour we have. So we can write in the kilometer per hour. Okay, this means what, ma? Divide. Okay, that means per. Okay, so kilometer per hour. Okay, have understood this? So in this question they have given a car covers a distance of 320 kilometer in 8 hours. What's the speed of the car? Okay, so they have given the distance as 320 kilometers and they have given a time as 8 hours. They asked to find out the speed of the car. So first we have to write the solution and write the given things. Okay, what are given things? They have given the distance as 320 kilometer. Okay, with the unit you want to write. Okay, 320 kilometer distance. Next, time is given as 8 hours. So we can write time is equal to 8 hours. So these are two things they have given in this question. Okay, they asked to find out speed. No, so we know the formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, we know the formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So speed is equal to, what's the distance we have? Yes, we have the distance 320. 320 by 8. Okay, so here no need to write the units. Okay, so 320 divided by 8. So if you divide 320 by 8 means you will get 40 as the quotient. Okay, 40 as the quotient and 0 will be the remainder. So from here we can write speed is equal to 40. Okay, 40. How we got this? We have the kilometer. Okay, divide by, that means divide. Okay, slash is there. Okay, kilometer per hour. Okay, kilometer is the distance unit. Okay, distance unit is kilometer per, otherwise divide by the time. Time is in the hour form. So we can write 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, can you able to follow this? Second problem. Justin travels for 8 hours at a speed of 2 km per hour. What is the distance covered by him in 8 hours? See once again, Justin. Okay, one man name is what, man? Justin. He traveled. Okay, he traveled for how many hours? He is traveling for 8 hours. Okay, he is traveling for 8 hours at a speed of 2 km per hour. He is traveling for 8 hours. Okay, in how much speed he is traveling? In 2 km per hour. So he is traveling for 2 kilometers per hour. Okay, within 1 hour he will reach what, ma? 2 kilometers. Okay, in 1 hour he will reach 2 kilometers. In speed he is walking or he is using some vehicle. Okay, we want to find out what's the distance. We have to find out the distance. Okay, distance covered by him in 8 hours. So here they have given within within 1 hour. Okay, within 1 hour he will covers 2 kilometers. Okay, so we have to find out within 8 hours how many distance he will covers. Okay, see once again, Justin is traveling for 8 hours. Okay, man is traveling for 8 hours at a speed of 2 kilometer per hour. So he is traveling for 8 hours. So here they have given within 1 hour he will reach 2 kilometer. He will cover 2 kilometer per hour. Per hour means 1 hour, within 1 hour. We want to find out what's the distance covered by him in 8 hours. So they have given 1 hour he will cover 2 kilometers. So within 8 hours how many distance he will cover, we want to find out. Okay, have you understood this? So we can start to do this problem. So we can write solution first. And what are things are given here, ma? They have given the time. Okay, 8 hour. Okay, time is given. Next they have given the speed as 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, they have given the speed also. So from this question we know they have given the time and the speed. So we can write the time first. So time is equal to 8 hours. Okay, time is equal to 8 hours. Next they have given the speed. Okay, they have given what, ma? Speed. Speed is given as what, ma? 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, 2 kilometer. Instead of per we can write like this. Okay, that is divided, okay, per hour. Okay, so in this question they have given time as 8 hours and the speed is given as 2 kilometer per hour. So they are asked to find out what, ma? Distance. Okay, so we have to find out the distance. So therefore distance. Okay, so we have to write the distance formula. So what's the distance formula? Yes, the first formula we have, is it, ma? Distance equal to speed multiplied by time. Okay, the distance equal to speed multiplied by time. Okay, so they have given time as 8 hours and speed as 2 kilometer per hour. They asked to find out the distance. They asked to find out what, ma? Distance. So we know the formula for distance. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Okay, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Okay, so we can write the speed and time first. Okay, so what's the speed? Yes, 2 kilometer per hour. So don't write the units here, just we can write 2. Next, what symbol? Multiplication symbol is there. Then time, what's the time? 8 hours. So we can write 8. So 2 multiplied by 8. Okay, 2 is the speed and time is 8 hours. So 2 multiplied by 8. So 2 into 8 is what, ma? 2 into 8 is 16, is it? So we can write distance. We are calculating distance now. So the distance is equal to 2 into 8 is 16. Okay, 2 into 18 is 8 is 16. Okay, 2 into 8 is 16. So distance is equal to 16 kilometer. Okay, so distance it will be in the kilometer form only, kilometer or meter. So in this question they have given the kilometer. So we can write distance equal to 16 kilometer. Okay, see once again. So a man named is Justin. He is traveling for 8 hours at a speed of 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, so in the speed of 2 kilometer per hour he is moving from one place to next place. We have to find out what's the distance covered by him in 8 hours. So they have given within 1 hour he will travel 2 kilometers. We want to find out within 8 hours how many distance he will move from the place to next place. Okay, how many distance he will cover. Okay, so we know the given things are time and speed. So time is equal to 8 hour and speed is 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, 2 kilometer per hour. So we have to find out distance. So we know the distance formula. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed multiplied by time. So speed is 2 kilometer per hour and time is 8 hours. Okay, time is 8 hours. So if you multiply 2 into 8, okay, 2 into 8 is 16. So we come to know that distance is equal to 16 hours. Okay, so we can say Justin is traveling a distance of 16 kilometer in 8 hours. So Justin is traveling 16 kilometers in 8 hours. Can you able to follow this? So next we can see the homework problem. Children, third problem is a homework to you. Okay, homework problem. Look at the question. How long will Sagar take a drive 180 km at the speed of 60 km per hour? See once again. How long will Sagar take a drive 180 km at the speed of 60 km per hour? So a man named Sagar, he is driving a car or some vehicle. So at the speed of 60 kilometer per hour he is traveling. Okay, so within 1 hour he will cover 60 kilometer. Okay, so within 1 hour he will cover how many kilometers ma? 60 kilometer of speed. Here they are given the distance and the speed. Okay, so the distance and speed is given. We want to find out the time. What time you want to find out ma? Here they given the speed. Okay, that means 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, so he will covers 60 kilometer. Okay, distance is 60 kilometer per hour. 1 hour he will cover a 60 kilometer. We want to find out within how many hour he will cover 190 kilometer of distance. Okay, so 180 kilometer of distance he will cover in how many hour, within how many hours. So here they have given the distance and speed. We want to find out the time. Okay, so you know the formula for time, no? So time is equal to distance by speed. By using this formula you have to find out the time for this question. Okay, so do this problem very easy only. First you can write the speed and the distance. So distance is equal to 180 kilometer and speed is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Then you have to write the formula for time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So time is equal to distance is 180 divided by speed is 60. So 180 divided by 60. How to do it and get the answer for the time. Okay, so very easy problem only. You can do it and we can meet in the next class. Okay ma, thank you so much. Bye.